practice. Last one. Number 7. If I want to get rid of that I, could I just multiply the bottom and top by 5i? If you multiply the top and bottom by 5i, the I won't disappear. Here's what you actually do. You multiply the top and bottom by it's called the conjugate. This right here is called the conjugate. And what I did basically, I took the bottom, it was a plus, I make it minus. If the bottom was a minus, I make it plus. It's like a difference of squares, which will make more sense with practice. Anyways, what I now have is this. I multiply top and bottom by that. What I now do from there is I'm going to do multiply the top through, multiply the bottom through, just like number 4 here. And what's going to happen is the bottom, all the i's are going to disappear. So all the i's are going to disappear. You'll see how that works in a second here. If I multiply the top, I'm going to do the top right here. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 5i is negative 15i. Negative 2i times 2 is negative 4i. And negative 2i times negative 5i is positive 10i squared. That's the top. And I'm going to do the bottom. That's the top. I'm going to do the bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10i. 5i times 2 is positive 10i. 5i times negative 5i is negative 25i squared. So the top right here, the bottom right here, I now have new pieces. This is probably making no sense. It will get better with time. Can we simplify the top? Yes. Can you replace I squared with what? Negative 1. So what you can now have is 6, and then when you combine these two, don't you get negative 19i? And what's this become? I squared is negative 1, so 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. The bottom, wait, don't these cancel? Yep. That's the whole point. 4. And then isn't this going to become I squared is negative 1, so that becomes a plus 25? Is my I disappeared from the bottom? Yep. All my i's are gone from the bottom. Just need to simplify. So my final answer is going to be 6 and negative 10 will be negative 4. And the bottom is 29. Now, some people accept this. But that is actually an imaginary divided by 29. The technical answer, but I've noticed a lot of people in a lot of books don't do the technical answer, is this. I have negative 4 over 29 minus 19 over 29i. That's the actual way you should write it, except you will see both of these. Either of these answers work.